Kawadhi nyime ni ogai mar Azimio Raila Odinga oseyo pinje maoko kuom keto weche mag dongruok nyime kinde ma piny owacho mar Kenya Kwanza kod obila to rocho ratiro mag jopiny. Kane oloso e gwenge mag Gogo e kar chung od bura magem e kinde iko mar jaod bura mokwongo mamiyo e pacho kae Grace Onyango, Raila bende wuok tung mosuo kod jambetre mar piny Amerka Meg Whiteman kuom lieko ni yiero no ne ota e yo mathuolo e historia mar piny Kenya. Ka onyise ni ok ong'eyo historia mar piny Kenya maber. Bende ne osingo ni gidhi bago ng'anyo mar atipo chieng' wuok tich juma manyien. Raila no oten kod jatend duond bura mar na Kenya Martha Karua, Senator Masiaya Oburu Oginga e kind jotelo mamoko.
Whatever they are bringing as advice should just be an advice and it should be there. But we also know that you are the one who put Ruto in power. That is why whatever he wants to do, you are trying to defend.
Why do we have to be robbed with tear gas when we are doing a lawful activity demonstrating? Mumeona kwa runinga, in the nation of France, they were demonstrating almost daily. Millions of people, no tear gas. Just here, South Africa, they demonstrated no tear gas. In Kenya, we are demonstrating. Violence occurs when the police come to fight, to meet brutality on the people.
And most of them having the audacity to misrepresent facts in our country. Like the American ambassador yesterday addressing American businessmen, saying that Kenya last year in August did the most transparent and democratic elections in the history of Kenya. I told her I did not know which country she was talking about. I didn't know which Kenya she was talking about. She had just been here for a few days before this election took place. And we were saying that we do not want lectures from our development partners. We must allow Kenyans to make a decision of their own. And we will continue to question. And we have said that we will demand that the servers must be opened so that we can be able to interrogate the results in the servers.